Okay, it's about 20 to 6. Between now and I guess the next 2 hours is when they said it's supposed to be our worst. And I can't believe people are still out there driving. You see the wind, whipping the rain, the bands of rain. Might be able to get a better shot from upstairs, actually. So the rain coming off our little overhang here is kind of blocking a lot of what you could see otherwise. I'm gonna run upstairs with this. Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Go in Antonio's room real quick. He was cleaning his room. Don't ask me what happened with that. Looks worse than when he started. Just from his window. And people out there. Said, according to the last radio thing, that the sustained winds in this area were about 48 miles an hour with gusts up to 61. It's kind of typical of a bad thunderstorm in this area, but I think what the problem is going to be is that it's sustained for such a long time, not like a thunderstorm. So that's where we're at right now. I'm gonna run back to our room, show you what it's done to the neighbor's awning. Oh, that room is so messy. It drives me nuts. Here we have out back. Trees. Our yard is, I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's all standing water at this point. Lots of debris, small debris, but there's the big dust. And our neighbor's awning, it's just completely shredding it. That's where we're at right now. So far, really not that bad. And we'll see if over the next hour or two it gets any worse. If not, this would be about the worst of it, I suppose. Waiting for one of those big gusts to come through. Every now and then we get a massive gust. That's about it for right now.